Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to make eye-catching posters? I'll show you how to use masking in Canva. Click the Create button to begin. Next, select Presentation from the options. If you need a poster instead, simply type Poster into the search bar and choose it from the results that appear. Set the canvas to Landscape Orientation. Next, we'll add elements to the design by selecting icons, shapes, or images from the Elements panel to enhance your project. Type Lion into the search box and press Enter. Wait for the results to load. Review the list to find relevant entries about lions. Click on any result to view more detailed information. Use the available filters or sorting options to refine your search if needed for more specific results. Click Photo Elements again to return and continue editing your project. Type the word Brave where you want it to appear in your design. Next, go to the top menu and select the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Mockup and press Enter. Browse through the available mockup frames and pick one that you like. Drag the chosen mockup frame onto your canvas, then drag the Brave text into the frame to place it inside the mockup for a professional look. There is no instructional content to rewrite in your provided transcription. Please provide a rough spoken transcription of the instructional steps or content you'd like to be rewritten into a 75-word polished narration. To increase the image size, first select the image you want to edit. Look for the resize or handles around the image's edges or corners. Click and drag any of the corner handles outward to enlarge the image proportionally. If you prefer, use the sizing options in the toolbar by entering specific dimensions for width and height. Make sure the aspect ratio is locked if you want to avoid distortion. After resizing, check that the image still fits well within your layout. When you're satisfied with the new size, position the image exactly where you want it on the page. That's all it takes to increase an image's size and place it properly in your design or document. Click to highlight the item you want to work with. Make sure it's clearly selected before proceeding to the next step. Depending on your interface, this could involve clicking directly on the file, folder, or object using your mouse or trackpad. If you need to select multiple items, hold down the Shift or Control key while clicking each one. Once your selection is complete, you can continue to the following task or action. Your changes are saved. You can now close this window, revisit your project, or continue working as needed. All updates have been successfully applied and stored. Click on the picture, then drag it to the desired location on the page. Release the mouse button to place the image. Now, resize using the corner handles so that the picture occupies the entire page as you want it to. Click the Done button to complete your action. Review the process one more time to ensure everything is correct. Carefully go through each step and verify the details. Make sure all the settings and selections match your intended outcome. Double-check any fields you filled in to confirm the information is accurate. Test any features or actions to see that they function as expected. If there are any issues, make adjustments as needed. Once you are satisfied, finalize your changes by clicking the appropriate button or confirming the settings. This ensures your work is saved and applied properly. After the review, take a moment to scan through the completed task to catch any overlooked errors. Confirm that the final result meets your standards and the objectives you set. Duplicate the image by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate from the menu. This creates a copy of the image directly above the original. Double-click on the duplicated image to activate the edit mode, allowing you to make changes independently from the original. To enlarge the image, click and drag any of the corner handles outward until the image reaches your desired size. For precise resizing, hold the Shift key while dragging to maintain the aspect ratio, preventing distortion. You can also use the toolbar options at the top of the screen, select the image and click the Resize button for more exact measurements. Drag the duplicated and enlarged image to a new location on the canvas if needed. This keeps your layout organized, and drag the object down to duplicate it. Now, select the duplicated object and drag it upward to position it above the original. This process creates an exact copy while keeping the original in place. Make sure both objects are aligned as needed. Use this technique whenever you want to create and position duplicates quickly. Scroll down the page to view additional options, settings, or information located below the main section or menu area. After completing your edits, click the Share button. From the Share menu, select Download. In the Download settings, find the option for image size and set it to the maximum available value. This ensures the highest quality output for your file. Confirm your selection, and then click the Download button to start saving the file. Your image will now be exported at the best possible resolution for your needs. Check the quality, then click the Download button to save your file. That's all you need to do. Now you know how to design eye-catching posters using masking in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.